basic mechanical maintenance skills are fundamental throughout advanced manufacturing and industries, from pharmaceutical and automotive to power and energy and agriculture. For example, industrial maintenance technicians must possess essential knowledge and skills to install, align, troubleshoot, and repair a wide variety of gears, shafts, and bearings. DAC Worldwide's Gear Maintenance Training System Plus features a diverse selection of industrial quality gears, shafts, and bearings that can be used in a variety of configurations. Learners will benefit from convenient hands-on training in gear identification, installation, alignment, and troubleshooting. The CNC-machined gearbox is made of welded aluminum and allows learners to mount and shim tapered roller bearings using several different bearing housing types. This heavy-duty training system will improve learners' maintenance skills and increase their understanding of precision gearing. Contact your DAC representative today to find out more.